How to use the Windwalker Wisdom Oracle. First thing I do is I play the wind whistle. It brings me present. Whatever works for you, become present. Maybe go out on the deck, maybe go into a quiet room, light a candle. So then you shuffle, and we're going to pull one card. Oops. There is no reverse in this deck, so the card that I pulled is Vayu, the card of strength. The first thing to do is to look at this card. See where your eye goes. Does it go to the words? Does it go to the shape above the mountain? Does it go to the mountain? Maybe it goes to the ram down in the corner. Check where you automatically go to. Then close your eyes for a moment and think about that. Breathe that in and then breathe it out. And then you could go to the book. And they're in order. Vayu, right here. Vayu is the Indian deity of wind and air. It's an ancient god present in both the Vedas and Hindu mythology. Vayu represents prana, the life-giving breath that sustains all beings, and goes on. When Vayu appears, it is a reminder to trust your strength and embrace change, whether navigating emotional winds or real-life obstacles. The energy guides you towards action and wisdom. Trust in the unseen forces. It's pretty simple. When you buy the deck, you get several card readings in here. And also right now I have a special where you get a whole download with 11 additional readings, from a soul retrieval reading to a feng shui reading. Go over to the Practical Shaman and check it out.